India's wholesale price inflation rose to 2.13% in February 2026 on a year-on-year basis, driven mainly by higher prices of manufactured goods, metals, textiles, and certain primary articles, according to official data released on Monday. The figures were published by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, which complies the Wholesale Price Index. The inflation rate based on the All India WPI stood at 1.81% in January 2026 and 0.96% in December 2025, indicating a gradual rise in wholesale price over the past few months. According to the data, the WPI index for all commodities increased to 158.2 in February 2026 compared to 157.8 in January. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry said the positive rate of inflation in February was mainly due to rising prices of manufactured products, basic metals, non-food articles, food articles, and textiles. Bureau Report News Now.